future-proof. Your career in the age of AI. We need to talk about the real cost of AI certification and whether it pays off. The number that should scare you. Nearly 85 million jobs could be displaced by 2025 due to AI, according to the World Economic Forum. Imagine what that means for your career and income. If you fail to adapt, you might find yourself left out in a rapidly evolving job market. Many people are already feeling that sting. Now, let's shift gears from fear to hope. There are success stories all around us. Take Sarah, for example. She was in a dead-end retail job, making around $30,000 a year. After completing a comprehensive AI certification program, she recently landed a data analyst position at a major tech company, earning $75,000 just 2 years later. The students who succeed all do this. They don't just obtain a piece of paper, they also build a practical skill set that aligns with what employers need. In our placement data, we've tracked that candidates with practical experience in AI tools are significantly more likely to get hired. Here's what this means for your next paycheck. Skills like machine learning, data visualization, and chatbots can increase your earning potential by as much as 30%. But it's not just about learning new technologies. The insight most people miss is understanding the specific tools that employers are looking for in job candidates. The employers we work with are asking for practical, hands-on skills rather than theoretical knowledge. For instance, familiarity with platforms like TensorFlow or data analytics tools is becoming non-negotiable for many roles. If you only remember one thing from this, practical experience trumps theory every time. So how does this translate into concrete action? Today, look for opportunities to work on real projects, engage in internships, volunteer for side projects, or collaborate on open source initiatives. These experiences not only enrich your resume, but also provide valuable talking points for interviews. This is where most people get it wrong. They think completing an online course is enough. As good as it feels to have that certification, it won't automatically lead to a job. Companies are increasingly using applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter resumes based on keywords. Without showing specific skills and practical accomplishments, your resume could end up in the dreaded rejected folder. Considering all this, let's talk about costs. Enrolling in a recognized AI certification program can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. You're looking at an investment that could take 6 months to a year, but the ROI doesn't come just from the salary boost. It reflects your adaptability in an uncertain market. For roles like data scientist or AI specialist, salaries can range from $90,000 to over $130,000, depending on experience and location. Now, let's break that down. If you invest, say, $3,000 in a certification program, you could stand to gain an additional $20,000 annually in your salary, which means you'd recover that investment in less than 6 months. One well-placed job could pay off your entire educational expense in that time frame. However, it's crucial to recognize that the landscape in the US may differ from Europe due to varying labor protections and job security measures. In Europe, unskilled workers may find their jobs at risk even more significantly because of stringent regulations on labor rights versus the fluid nature of the gig economy in the US. The thing nobody in HR will tell you, certifications alone won't guarantee success. It's about how effectively you can communicate and apply that knowledge. Employers want confidence and adaptability more than they want to see certificates. Engage in networks, engage in learning communities, and demonstrate how your skills can meet their needs. So, what's the mental model to apply? Think of your career as a portfolio. Each experience, skill, and certification adds to your overall value. The more diverse but relevant your portfolio, the better your position when opportunities arise. Position yourself as a solution to the challenges companies face in adopting AI. In summary, the future of work is undeniably tied to how well we embrace AI. The cost of ignorance is steep, financially and in terms of career progression, but you have the power to change that. Build your skills today, focus on practical experiences, and be strategic about your growth. That wraps up Future Proof. One small ask. If this was useful, hit follow. See you next time.